Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about Impact Wrestling from the 6th of April 2023. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues. These are my audio only live highlights and updates and results from what has taken place on tonight's episode of Impact Wrestling. I will keep you posted what is taking place on tonight's episode of Impact Wrestling as we leave the Multiverse United and we leave Sacrifice and we head now into Rebellion. We can focus on other things in Impact Wrestling. Our opening match is the Motor City Machine Guns, Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin once again teaming together, and they are taking on the team of TMDK. I don't really know much about this tag team, but I know that they are very popular around the American independent scene, the Japanese scene, etc. So we'll have to see how this match turns out here tonight. Stay tuned for more.